Hi guys, I'm Sabir, and in this video I'm going to talk about two articles A and N. So let's start. Point 1. Consonant A, vowel, N. We use article A with consonants and with the vowels we use article N. But when we are dealing with abbreviations, we have to be little careful about it because it can be different from other words. For example, NFB. Here we are using article N because F is starting with vowel sound A. Then we are using A with U and now because U is starting with the consonant sound U. Point 2. Countable or singular. When we talk about countable or singular nouns referring to people which have not already been mentioned by us, then we use article A or N. For example, I have a visitor for Tom. Next point, any or every. We use article A or N in place of any or every. For example, a soldier is loyal to his country means every soldier is loyal to his country. Point 4, member of group or profession means when a person is a member of a group or a profession, then we use article A or N. For example, he is a lawyer. Then we have the point 5. In front of two nouns, single unit. When we are talking about two nouns which are considered as a single unit, then we use article A or N. For example, a shirt and tie, a husband and wife. Now come to the point 6. One particular day. When we talk about one particular day or week, then we use article A or N. For example, they got married on a Monday. Point 6. Price, quantity, or rates. For example, I would say this cost 70 a kilo. Here, keep in mind, is the synonym of per kg, per kilo. Now we move on. Point 8, like somebody. When you are like somebody, it means you can use article A or N. For example, Tom's are Shakespeare means Tom is like Shakespeare. Point 9, before name unknown speaker. When you are talking about a person who is unknown to you, you use article A or N. I'm repeating that. When you are talking about a person who is unknown to you, you use article A or N. For example, there is a Miss Jade to meet Zoe means Miss Jade is unknown to the speaker. Point 10, before uncountable nouns adjective. Here you have to keep one thing in mind. You can use article when and uncountable noun having adjective in front of it or following by the phrase. For example, a good knowledge or geography. Here knowledge is uncountable and having good as an adjective in front of it. Hopefully you like that video and you are totally clear about all these uses of articles A and N or A or N. Thank you so much. Like the channel, share the video, and subscribe and press the bell icon button.